Baby bus.
Start downloading! You can play the game after a while. Download is complete. Let's start playing the game!
We are going to help our guests. Welcome to Baby Bus Hotel.
Hello, I'm Mr. Cheese. Do you have a room for me? And I'd like to be far from those mice.
Welcome to Baby Bus Hotel.
Hello, I'm Whiskey.
Try to keep cheese separate from mice.
Ask Mom and Dad.
The supermarket has everything. Mom, what's happening?
It's an earthquake. Hide.
Mom, where are you? What do I do now? Could you help me find a hiding place? Staying by the column is a relatively safe choice in a supermarket. Anyway, hiding by the cash register is also safe. Correct. During an earthquake, we can hide by the post and the cash register. Let's go hide. Oh no, the power is out. Here is a flashlight. What else can I use? Towel. Pillow. Bread. Horn. Water. A flashlight can help me see my surroundings. While I'm waiting for the rescue crew, what can I use to protect my head? A pillow can protect my head. Next, I need something to cover my nose. Next, A towel can prevent dust from entering the lungs. I'm thirsty. Water can keep me hydrated. Good. I'm better now.
Anyone in here? I found you. I will get you out. Your mom is waiting for you.
Really? Mommy! Kiki, are you alright? Don't worry, I protected myself during the earthquake.